It's easy to make promises about the safety and durability of a home when the sun is shining and the sky is clear. But members of the Oregon Manufactured Housing Association are here to stand beside you and our high-quality factory-built homes, no matter what the weather brings. The Pacific Northwest offers a unique and changing climate that experiences heavy rains, strong winds, and other harsh conditions on a regular basis. That's why our manufactured homes are factory-built with our region's weather patterns in mind. A federally mandated building code called the HUD Code requires that the safety and soundness of our homes are up to the challenges of weather in the Pacific Northwest. They are uniquely designed and engineered to stand up to whatever is happening outside. Not only are these homes better equipped to handle the elements on the front end, their specific style of toughness means there's less upkeep and maintenance over time, giving you confidence that your home is a safe haven. And at such an affordable price point, there's no reason anyone should lose sleep over whether or not their current home can match this level of quality. So come in out of the storm and into a manufactured home.